So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going for group discussion. Okay, we are arranging group discussion of the students, and our topic is my life and my rules. So first, I will invite some students for discussing topic my life, my rules. First, I am inviting Manvi. Please come here. Second one, Divyans, please come here. Third one, Shrey, please come here. Fourth one, Ayush, please come here. And fifth one, Yasraj, please come here. And sixth one, I am inviting Harshit Yadav, please come here. Okay? So one by one we will discuss. Okay? Our topic is my life, my rules. इधर आ जाओ आप, हर्षित. इधर आओ, हर्षित. यशराज आप इधर आओ. जल्दी से हर्षित इधर आओ, पीछे नहीं. वहां नहीं बैठना, यहाँ आप कैमरे के सामने आना है. थोड़ा सा और खिसकाओ. चलो. तो हमारा टॉपिक क्या है आज का? माई लाइफ, माई रूल्स. सो कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं हम लोग? सो यू ऑल आर 6 स्टूडेंट्स. आप सभी कितने लोगों? 6 लोगों. और आपका टॉपिक क्या है? माई लाइफ, माई रूल्स. सो आप लोगों में से कौन इनिशिएट करेगा? सबसे पहले आप लोगों में से कौन इनिशिएट करेगा? आप लोगों को किसी को भी इनिशिएट करना है? ये आयुष. ओके. तो आपको याद रखना है माइक का. आप अपने प्लेस पे बैठे बैठे अपने प्लेस पे आप लोग बैठ जाइए. ठीक है, आप इनिशिएट करोगे. थोड़ा सा और आप थोड़ा शिफ्ट हो जाइए इधर. ओके, स्टार्ट करें. यस,
We can create our.
स्टार्ट. पहले अपना इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ स्टार्ट किया जाता है.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ayush.
माइक.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ayush Mistry, and my topic is my life, my rules. So we can create our rules in our life, so we can get freedom. If we will not get our freedom, so we can not create our rules in our life. So if you want to create your rules and your life, so you have to first freedom, and second you will have to create your rules so that you can create this topic.
Understanding what are you trying to say? Okay, Divyans, what's your opinion on my life, my rules?
So we all believe in.
First of all, you have to
So good evening, everyone. My name is Divyansh Rawat from class 9. So today we will discuss about my life, my rules. So we all believe in our life, and we must have to independent to alive our life, because we can live our life is safely.
share your real time examples also. My life, my rules. Let me know. First of all, you will let me know, or you will let we us means what's the life, my life. What is the criteria of your life and your rules? Okay, you cannot decide your rule, but your parents can decide your rules for your life. Okay. Yes.
First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you. My name is Shay, and today I am here to present a group discussion on my life, my rule. I think is it good for everyone, because everybody wants to make their own rule. By this, they can get their own freedom and life have their own. So by this, they can succeed easily, and it is good for them.
Okay. Manvi, what's your opinion?
Good evening to all. I am Anvi Shishodya. Today I am here to present our topic, that's my life, my rules. In my way, everyone wants independence. So in my way, everyone have independence, but some people not independence. In my way, all people have rules that they do, but some people have no rules, but they want to do any rules. They want to cut his day. They want to cut their day by their own view. In my way, this is importance for everyone that have independence.
Yes, Raj, what's your point of view? And you have to correlate the points of others. Okay, means first Ayush said, and after that Divyan said, and Sirey said. So you have to correlate your points. Means we are discussing on group. तो आप जैसे ग्रुप में डिस्कस कर रहे हो, तो हमें क्या करना है कि ग्रुप में जो बच्चे बोल रहे हैं उनकी बात को हमें क्या करना है, आगे पुट अप करना है. मींस आप एग्री करते हो या नहीं एग्री करते हो, दोनों आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. यस राज.
So first of all, good evening to all of you and respected sir. I am Yasraj Yadav. I am here to give a conversation group discussion on the topic of my life, my rules. I agree with this line, my life, my rules, because everybody should and can make their own rules to get their freedom, and also they can make their own rules and get freedom, and they will get success easily by they make their own rules, and but some people can't make their own rule because they are not independent or their so their parents or their child make their rules for them. That's all.
So yes, Raj has very good points, and actually means you have no independence right now. Means you have an independence for such an limited independence. We can say that means you cannot take any kind of decision. First, you will have to help with your parents and all, and by your teacher. Means you are in under guidance by your parents and your teacher. Actually, just if I am talking about myself, actually I can take any kind of decision for myself, and so that's totally dependent on our life and our rule. Just like if I am talking about my life, so my life is only based on me. That time you only seen that my life is you have only seen my life is only based on me, but it's totally wrong. My life is not only based on me. My life is all around my family, my relatives, and my society and all. So we have to take care of all of them. Okay. Yes, Harshit, what's your point of view of my life, my rules?
First of all, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Yadav, and today's we discuss group discussion on my life and my rules. So it is very important for everyone that in their life there is a rule, there is a rules and regulation, because it maintains our responsibility and management, and sometimes it will also affect our life, and if we have rules, so our lifestyle and our society is also good. Just like some people have no rules, so their life is so bad, uh, and and no unity.
Shrey will continue. Okay.
Harshit say, my life, my rule is important for everyone because it is the responsibility of everyone and it is important for everyone. That's it, Harshit.
Next person. Anvi, what's your point of view?
So my point of view is that if everyone wants to take any decisions, any kind of decision, so first they will take if they will any guidance, they want any guidance to take any decision, because sometimes they didn't take right decision. Sometimes they felt, but in my way, this is important for everyone to take anyone guidance. That's
It is important for everyone to take guidance, because actually if you say that actually in the negative way, we can say this topic just like my life, my rules only, means you have no compromises, you have no meanings of others person, and you are not seeing the other views and all. So that's why this is the very toughest problem for everyone. Okay, so first you have to see others also, actually not for many ways, but you have to see, because you want to learn from others also. Actually in some ways this is also negative. Actually if we are always seen other people, yeah, if we have always seen other people, so it's totally wrong. But actually we can follow that kind of person. They are already success in their life, so we can follow them. Okay. Yes, Ayush.
So much second opinion to my life, my rules. Yes, I agree with all the students, but first to create a perfect rule, if we create a wrong rule, so we will not success in our life. If we create a correct rule, so we will successfully grow in our life.
Very good. Divyansh.
Second opinion is everyone have two rights to alive our life independently, but sometimes they make our own rules, so they ignore other in the world, and they understand like they have only in the world.
So now actually you are discussing on this topic. So anyone want to leave this group right now? Actually we will give another chance to another person. Anyone want to leave? Okay. So you have another points? Okay, yes Raj. If you don't want, have to continue.
My second opinion is that I am agree with this, that my life my rules, but sometimes when people make their own rules for their success and for their freedom, so their society and their parents don't agree with them and deny to make their own rules. That's all.
Very good. Manvi, what's your point of view?
That my next opinion is that if someone do any bigger thing, so they think about their society, their family, their relatives. First thing is that we think about our society, because what they think. And if some people get motivated by any freedom fighters, because their lines that they motivate them to, that they can do this.
Very good. Now no issue. You are performing good. So all of you can leave this place, and we are inviting some other persons, some other students. Okay. So next I am inviting Harshit Agrawal. Please come on the stage. Please come here. And second one Christy. Third one Samyak. And fourth one Atharv. This Atharv Tripathi. Yes. Wait. And next one Garb. Please come here. Samyak, please come here. Okay. Yes, Athar, please, you can come here. Okay. Any other person wants to come? Okay, Krishna, please come here. Athar and Krishna, please come here. Okay. Now we are discussing, you already know, we are discussing a topic, my life, my rules. So you have to continue this topic. You have already listened some points. Okay. So Christy, you can start.
So first of all, hello everyone. I am Christy Agrawal and I study in 7th class. So today we all 6 people are here to make a group discussion on my life, my rules. Okay, so let's start. My life, my rules is a very known word for the people who are not who are adult, because my life my rule is a type of their choice. Some people do anything with them, so if they say that my life my rules, so it means whatever they want, they will do it.
Yes.
Good evening to everyone. I am Harshit Agrawal, and today I am here to put my points of views on the group discussion, my life, my rules. So that it is right, in our life, our rules are work. No one can decide your life. Everyone have opportunity to decide their opinions about their life, but now we are student, so our life is in the hand of our parents. Our parents guide us, and we have to agree for their decision. And if we adult, so no one can decide your life, so your life totally depend on you. So that's all about my topic.
Good evening to all. My name is Gaurat. I study in 8th standard. Today I am here a group discussion. My life, my rules. I am agreed is my life, my rules. Pupils is independence, such as pupils independence, and pupils is follow the rules.
Next.
Good evening everyone. My name is Athar Tripathi. I study in class 5th. I am presenting. We are presenting a group discussion about the topic on my life, my rules. First of all, I will tell the meaning of my life, my rules. My life, my rules meaning is that we are controlling our own life. And the role of rules in our life are getting right things in a right manner.
It's a very great discussion by Atharv. Okay, nice explanation of my life and my rules. Okay, Atharv.
First of all, good evening to all of you. My name is Atharv Soni and today we are here to discuss about a topic, my life, my rules. As per the Atharv has discussed about the meaning of my life and my rules, but I have a different perspective of them. My life, my rules have a meaning of my life. In my life, what I am doing and what I will do. The meaning of this is that, and the rules mean is that our personality, positivity, and what type of person we are. And I want to tell you about. I have a different perspective on them. Like I am thinking that this statement have two different sides. One side have a positive answer and one have not. Like my life, my rule. Someone understand that their life are their life. They are personal and don't attach to anyone. And they don't care of their parents. They only care of them. And I think that's the wrong as per my perspective. And the second perspective of me is that we have to care our life and to care our parents and family life and don't give them the rules. Only lead and motivate them what they can do and what we can do. They can lead us, but they cannot completely say that you have to do this. So,
Sony, I am totally agree with your words. Means you are saying right. We are totally depending on our parents or our guardians. Actually, means you all already said. Means my life, my rules. This topic has two sides. Means negative or positive. Means if we say in just like in positive manner. So my life, my rules means what's the other problem? Yeah, what is the problem for other? Means we cannot decide. But if we take just like if we have an attitude, so my life, my rules, just like it's like an wrong thing. Means and it's a negative experience for everyone. So first we have to take this topic is in positive way. Okay. So sometimes you already you have already seen some persons keep their status just like my life, my rules on their bike, on their car also. Means you have all you have seen sometimes they are just writing, yeah, going in trend, my life, my rules. Actually it's a very hot topic for everyone for discussion. Actually if we discuss this kind of topic, so just like we are encouraging ourselves also. Okay, yes Harshit.
yes, I want to set an example. Like if we become adult, so like our relatives that are not love us and our neighbors try to confuse us. Like if we in sorrow, so no one can help us. No one help us and they can't do for us. And if we rich and if we if we are happy, so they try to take your uh, take your attendance and that's all.
Yes, Christy.
Yes, sir, I am agree with him. Because some people who think that we are doing better than them, so they always take our attention, and they cannot let us do our work. They take attention and they cannot let us do our work, and just like we are not adult, so the big decisions which are of our homes and some problems, they took our means our parents, but decision of our studies, we have to take it with ourselves that we have to do this now or we have to do this other time. And some people do mean some people say something wrong about the, other people and think about them. So first of all they have to think about their self, because that is their life, and the parents guide us. We don't have to judge anyone.
It's very good. Krishna, what's your opinion?
So I am Krishna and we are discussing about my life, my rules. Our life is a very valuable gift which is given by God, but not human beings, but also valuable for other living things. We can make our own rules, and in childhood our parents make a rule for, and that's all.
Yes, Athar.
I will tell you a real story. When I am 8 years old, my parents my parents has told me some rules rules so I am following the rules. The rules are: treat everyone kindly, be happy with what you have, and don't judge anyone.
I am agree with the Adhar Tripathi. Yes, anyone tell us the rules we have to do, but it's not the rule they are teaching us. They are only leading us to that, and it's our choice to choose them or not. We have to do it, not them. They will do it. We will do it. Like the every situation have a side that many people choose that to prove other wrong, but they don't choose the way by which they can prove them yes or true, but they choose the way by which they can prove anyone wrong, but not choose them that they can prove us yes.
So my mother had already told me that Christy, anyone says anything, you don't care. You have to. You first of all, you don't have to judge anyone, because that is their life, and they are judged by their parents and the people who are trying to teach them good. So we don't have to judge them about their future and anything. Only we have to make some friendship with them, and and it's also my rule of the life.
Very good. Harshit.
So I am agree with Christy that our life is on our rules. Like in a study, like if we want to become something, so we have to do myself. We have to do ourselves. No one can come for help you. We have to become by our uh, contribution and etc. Thank you.
Yes.
My second opinions, my rules in my life. Pupils are make the rules, and some pupils but not follow the rules. So every pupils follow the rules, and my rules. So every pupils to care our pupils.
You want to say that means every people have to care others. Okay, means every people, every kind of people. Means your life is your rules. If it's not only decide means anyone's career and anyone's future, but we have to take care of all of them. Okay. Yes.
Like that we have.
Do you want to join this discussion? Any other person want to join this discussion? Yes.
Like that some of the people that have achieved their goal is become our motivation, that we are following them. We don't have to completely following them. We just have to see the positive side and the positive thing of them, and to follow them. It's our choice. And I am agree with all the students that they say my life, my rules. They are not. It's not decided by them. So yeah, it's true that
my life and my rules is truth, but it's not completely truth that my life has my rules. Like our parents not decide, everyone cannot decide, only us can decide. So that's my opinion about it.
Only we can decide. Okay, means you have to, just like in the child age, means I am just giving you an example. You are in just a child age, not an adult. Means some of your friends are not good in study. Some of your friends are means just like doing abuses and all, abusing or not. Means sometimes you listen in your school time and coaching time also, but you have to follow your rules. Means in a positive manner. If you will follow your rules, my life, my rules, so you will not have any kind of negative impact for yourself. Just you understand what I am trying to say? Okay. Yes. Any other person want to conclude this topic? Yes.
Okay, so the main rule of the life is that we only have to care about our goal, not about the others' future and anything about others. We have to only tell them that you can do this, not you have to do this. And I am agree with the all people, all students which are with me, and they are saying the right words. Thank you.
Yes. Harshit, do you want to say anything?
Sir, as you said that in our schools and in our cities that some student abuses. I read in Puranas in our religion. Everyone said that if anyone abuses us, so it's also our bad work. Think that's our God sorry our bad works all. Thank you.
Means I don't know about this methodology and all. Okay.
It depend of anyone. Like if we, as per the sir and all the students, they said that some people like they use wrong way to drive. They drive not carefully. They don't wear helmet and all. So it's depend on them. You have to focus on yourself and be in the line of good things.
Now you are understanding what we are trying to say, means why we are choosing this topic. Okay, because my life, my rules is we have to take in a positive manner, not in a negative manner. Okay, so now we are completing this topic here. Okay, yes, Krishna have an
only do what your heart tells you. केवल वही करो जो आपका दिल कहता है. Second one is when it not our mistakes, so we don't have scare.
Okay, जब आपकी गलती नहीं होती तो आपको डरना नहीं चाहिए. सीधी सी बात है. माय लाइफ माय रूल्स. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम अपनी गलती ना होने के बाद भी डर जाते हैं. तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस means you will have a confidence in your life. Means confidence is very necessary for everyone. Means if you are child, if you are adult and all, so confidence is very necessary. तो आप लोग अगर इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, आपने एंड तक देखा हुआ है, तो आप वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, और हमारे चैनल पे अगर आप नए हैं तो इस टाइप के कंटेंट के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और एक इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए, अगर आप हमारी सिटी भितरवार से बिलोंग करते हैं, आप स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लासेस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, तो आप हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट आ सकते हैं. स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लासेस बाय संभव जैन, नियर बाय हनुमान मंदिर, वार्ड नंबर 10, ये हमारा एड्रेस है. और बाकी सारी डिटेल आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी. आप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं इन बच्चों के साथ, इसी टाइप के बैचेस ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, और काफ़ी कुछ यहाँ पे आप सीख सकते हो. जस्ट लाइक ग्रुप डिस्कशन है, सेंटेंस प्रैक्टिस है, पूरी डिबेट है, या ग्रुप डिस्कशन है, कन्वर्सेशन है, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं आप यहाँ पे डेवलप कर सकते हो. नॉट ओनली फॉर इंग्लिश इज ग्रामर, just you can come here for your personality development and all the things. Okay, goodbye. We will meet in next video next time. Okay.